Hi, welcome to Elonix. In this episode, we'll see how to make a wailing siren circuit using 555 timer IC. The amplitude of output sound increases gradually, reaches a peak, and then slowly comes back to zero. The duration for which we press push button makes a difference in the output sound. We will also learn how this circuit works later in this video. For the list of components required, link to the circuit diagram, links to previous and upcoming projects or any other information, please go through the description below. I'll be using this row as positive rail and this as negative rail. Place 555 timer IC on the breadboard and these are the pin numbers with respect to the notch. Connect pin 1 to negative rail. Next connect pins 2 and 6 of the IC to each other and similarly connect pins 4 and 8 to each other. Now place a 33 kilo ohm resistor between pin 3 and pin 6 of the 555 timer IC and then connect a 10 nanofarad capacitor between pin 2 and negative rail. Next, place an NPN transistor on the breadboard. I have used BC547 and these are its pinouts with respect to the flat surface. Connect the emitter pin to negative rail and connect the base of transistor to pin 3 of the 555 timer IC via a 1K resistor. Next, connect a speaker between the collector pin of transistor and positive rail. I have connected an extra 39 ohm resistor for limiting the current flowing through the speaker. Now place a PNP transistor on the breadboard such that the collector pin is connected to pin 4 of the 555 timer IC. Connect the emitter pin to positive rail and place a 220 kilo ohm resistor between the base and emitter pins. Now extend the base of transistor using 100 kilo ohm resistor and then place a 22 kilo ohm resistor between the other terminal of 100 kilo ohm resistor and an empty row. Next, place a push button switch on the breadboard such that the pair of interconnected pins are in vertical direction and one of the interconnected pairs is connected to 22 kilo ohm resistor. Connect the other pin to negative rail. Now place a 100 microfarad capacitor such that its positive terminal is connected to the common point between the two resistors and the negative terminal is connected to negative rail. Finally, connect the power supply and the wailing siren circuit is now ready. In the previous project, we have created tones with different frequencies using a stable mode of 555 timer IC. You may refer to that video for better understanding of how this circuit works. At the core of this circuit is a similar stable arrangement using 555 timer IC that produces sound with fixed frequency and it is powered using a PNP transistor. So the intensity of output sound depends on the amount of current supplied by this transistor to the 555 timer IC. The transistor driving 555 timer IC is a PNP transistor. So negative voltage at the base pin will cause the transistor to allow maximum current to flow through the 555 timer IC. And as the voltage approaches positive voltage, the flow of current gradually reduces to zero. And this voltage at the base of transistor is controlled by the voltage across this capacitor. When idle, this capacitor will be in fully charged state because it can charge via 100 and 220 kilo ohm resistor. As a result, there will be positive voltage at the base of transistor and so no current flows through 555 timer IC. And as a result, the output will be in off state. When we press this push button, the capacitor discharges slowly for as long as the push button is pressed and as a result, the voltage at the base of transistor tends to move towards negative voltage. and so it gradually increases the current flowing through 555 time IC. This is the reason why the amplitude of siren sound increases gradually while the push button is pressed. After the push button is released, the capacitor starts charging again, and so the voltage at the base of transistor gradually approaches positive voltage. And so it gradually reduces the current flowing through 555 time IC. And this is the reason why the amplitude of output sound slowly approaches to 0 after the push button is released. Hope you learnt something new from this video. Do subscribe if you did, and have fun.